Nice one, Yamagana Funa Aquaba, everybody Benacha TV. So, Trading Ponyankopon, Yadana says so. I'm at the patchy and Nayaka at Tiase for one Mubisa, yes, drone footage. And the Benacha TV channel is in the skies. I did drone footage of the Tetteh Quarshie interchange of the which is a section of the Accra Tema Motorway Reconstruction project on 4K resolution. And yeah, they bring Pacho. And then the first time I'll baha with YouTube, Benacha TV official, which man like and subscribe. TikTok, Benacha TV, Facebook, and so we are almost 80,000 followers. Which you are type of Ghana's Achaben. Now be a part of this amazing family. Ni na it we grow together. The Ghana, so it's me I Kabehe. Once again, your friend Ghana's Achaben. A quick break. I'm back with the full details for today's update. But I say. Nice one. The Trading Ponyankopon Edi Ababedui Accra Tema Motorway Reconstruction project. No, me no say the main underpasses are what Tetteh Quarshie interchange. No, engineers no at ye ni na wie se ne mama maswate. Now you confess ye hu se bibia it is in order, as you can see from the area footage. You know, both underpasses no have shot up in skyline. Don't forget say na existing ones. No, two underpasses and I somebody two abeka home and I 4 into ama the 10-lane expansion buying for the Accra Tema Motorway Reconstruction no ni na etimi abam na bibia so etimi aye kama enti sa na ehye netie. Don't forget say Accra Tema Motorway Reconstruction project no 10-lane, the existing concrete lanes no ni na will be maintained and asphaltic lanes and so eba beka ho na aye 10 lanes stretching from Tetteh Quarshie interchange to Tema Motorway roundabout enti sa na ehye netie. Me no ka say official contractors omhwe sa dwuma die so Maripoma Enterprises Limited. Omna Sajuma Kesi na Eshomsa. Don't forget, say, Omansuna, Omoshe the Ofanko in Sawam Road Project, and the Dambai Bridge, and the other famous projects are Koso Ogana, no, Maripoma, and Eheso, Sebibia, Subitimi, Aye Kama, into Sabre from the footage, you know, who sit at Quarshie interchange, you know, and 2 new bridges, you know, have shot up in Skyliner, which is concrete works, you know, Nina Omawie engineers, you know, at the FAPEM. And our barricade are cordon off the construction site. Send you be uncover for safety concerns. No, it is Sana and Shanity and Tetteh Quarshie Sudie. Ye can a landmark Papa Wagana and Akana Dudona Etia Adiasie Eti Ushe the various apartments, Villaggio, Luxwood, you be say gallery apartment signature Nina Ewo Tetteh Quarshie interchange. It is Sana and Shanity. I think we're joining live broadcast here and a Tuesday morning, the 18th day of August 2026, and they are represented live at Tetteh Quarshie interchange. It is our footage in Abraham, and the traffic situation this morning is very, very encouraging, as you can see in your shots. And we see traffic be brave any musa and a Maripoma workers, because omoye juma the bridges in the SWB ninti who hobby brave so omoye ejuma omoko different site omokakoye juma. It is an issue to share the traffic situation. I'm call Tema and I'm free Accra and so about Tema and I'm free Tema air conkai and I'll share Asieho I'm free 37 Ediomani HM or Medina and I'm free Medina air 37 which means both side of the traffic flow no very very good. What do I say? Which means traffic M1 so and no pay be breeze into Sana and Shanity Accra Tema Motorway Reconstruction project updates and yeah, bro, your family Ghana's Chaben Patch on all social. Also, your YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, on Sabit Miakai, Nina yet me agree together. Now, one notable thing you who from the Tetteh Quarshie interchange, and they say, we share the 2 underpasses and the 2 bridges now, my end for now. The height, Ewa Kakra, as in the existing one, I don't make I say engineers, and the bit we are changing my chair, didn't ya? Omu Peja Winum Kakra, Omu Peja Mukakra, as in existing one, and what is going to happen to the existing bridge? Is it say, Omu Bedding? Fele ama hono height no aba be do the new one and so me Chinese na the old bridges no as suspended at that height na oma maintain that height na engineers no yenya kwenya na no mudi nkoma e be some na agi all the information near the abroad. But what we can put out as a matter of fact and say the 2 new bridges na oma wie e the Tetteh Quarshie interchange na the underpass no 2 new ones no the height no much elevated from the existing ones no it is ana enhyehyɛ live update Accra Tema Motorway Reconstruction project and don't forget say ye be come Manet, yeah, the drone footage, every free Matet, Abraham, Samson, 18 junction, near the another drone footage, every 18 junction, Abraham. Into we share that video, we are expect the next footage from Manet. Yeah, we are, yeah, come on, another from 18 junction. To this week, there, drone shot on back to back, live on the Ben Acha TV. Send ya, no, Munim Sisa, Moana Mubisa, and Amede Brem. It's mu enjoy the scenes from the Tetteh Quarshie interchange.
When it comes to roads, this government is doing very, very, very well, and I believe that by the time President Mahama is done with this term in 2029, his administration will be one administration that throughout the history of this country, no other government could have been compared with in terms of road infrastructure because of the way that the work is going. And quality work is being done as well. And you can see clearly that indeed the whole country has become a construction site. I traveled to Ho recently. You will see from the Afienya side, work is ongoing. No contractor has packed out. From the Akosombo Juapon area, you see work is ongoing. Towards Ho, you see the massive work that is ongoing. Place and Yawasi area, massive work that is ongoing. I am told even in the north, most of the major roads are also under construction, and contractors are on site working. Look at Ofanko, the interchange. They couldn't pay the contractor. Today he has been paid. Work is ongoing. Very soon that road will be completed. And so this government is doing excellently when it comes to road construction.
Okay.
It is a break, so a live telecast, Accra Tema Motorway Reconstruction project, until we can see a Nimho Echo 37. What do you say? Ye Nimho Echo 37, Ye Echo Madina, and this is the Villaggio new building now down the Bikra was here, and this is the aerial footage, you know, and the already new Villaggio building now, come up, no, just close to the old one, no, and I would say engineers, no, bought a Juma house until where the Villaggio apartments, what the Tetteh Quarshie interchange, you know, and come, and we expect a lot of these things to happen, especially in the prime areas in Accra. Nemwama Accra and Yefe. Oh, we mun ma Accra, Udu Accra. No one see yes, what we do Ghana. What they say? Fe papa. Aye, Jisana and Sheneti. Iti Bibia Edana Kwemun say a Baba na chati about development infrastructure. Aha, and the headquarters. Yamba mani bonina send ye tie yendada. What you say? Iti Chaneti into two near Kutuka Accra International Airport. I beg your pardon. Accra International Airport. Where you name no Samson will be landmark. We say Accra Mall and oh Accra Mall into a panic kaka into Accra Mall no ababesim the Tetteh Quarshie interchange, you know, the Accra Tema Motorway, no, Tesana and Shisheno, at your live update, and a yede bremo from Enkaim Pumpuni Mantemu, a fire infrastructure, into signature apartments, and so, and away anymore, and the new one now, almost in so a Lux Food apartment, it is Anna and so this is a 360-degree view, area footage, 4K resolution from the Tetteh Quarshie interchange, Yamamu, the Koso Ghana, a fire in Puntu, your development, and the Ghana and Koso, what you see, it is Anna and Shanity, and to say, Medican Cachono. Cause wanna enjoy this update from here. Yeah, call Manet near the update who na if you are brem no who dear cause and there yeah mamu back-to-back aerial view from the Ghanaian capital Accra, especially with detailed work from the 10-lane Accra to Tema Motorway Reconstruction project. If I'm a Ghanaians Archer Ben, and of course this is the Ben Archer TV on all socials. So no, we are airborne: YouTube, TikTok, Facebook. On sabit me akain na bibi bia so etimi aye kama nti sana and share it here.